guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the driveway. Alright, so today, as per usual, we're 2 months out from the start of race season. So, just like everything else, you have to get ready. Alright, so it's maintenance time. And I thought, well, let's start out with the back, work our way to the front. So today, I'm going to do a little install on a new differential cover from BD Diesel Performance. And I'm going to go ahead and try some of the race gear oil by Hot Shot Secrets. It's already got FR3 in it, but we're also going to add a little bit of additional FR3, which if you haven't read about that product, there's some great videos online Hot Shot Secrets put out, as well as Fire Punk Diesel, to show that there is actually a performance advantage to running FR3. Gain a couple extra miles an hour, and for me, that's a plus. Alright guys, before we get started, just like every video I do, there is your part number. This is for, again, a Dana 70 rear end. Go to bddieselperformance.com, enter that part number in, and go ahead and order one, because there is a lot of advantages. A lot of guys out there are doing these kind of install videos right now, because again, they're pretty much in preparation for the same thing. About this company or this company, I just happen to like the fact that this one has basically O-rings instead of you're using RTV, and it's down to the drain plug, the fill plug, the all O-ring seals, which is preventing leaks. And again, you don't have to take it off anymore to go ahead and drain the rear diff. I mean, I drained the differential on this thing roughly about 2 years ago, and so it's got roughly about 3,000 miles on it. So put you on a time lapse. Alright guys, so now that you've got the original differential cover off, you want to go ahead and clean the mating surface as good as you can, and let it drain out. You can also inspect your magnet, which will be on the actual fill plug. A little bit of debris on an LSD is not the end of the world. When you start seeing heavy chunks and big issues will come up from that. Take a look at your ring gear, look at your spider gears, all that. Biggest thing, you're just looking for any sort of heavy debris. If you've got a little bit of clutch pack wear, not the end of the world, but again, that's the biggest thing, is you got it pulled apart, go ahead and inspect it, make sure there's no issues. If all your teeth are still there from your ring gear and your spider gears, hey, it's a good day. All right guys, so we got the stock one right in front of us here. And then you've got the BD Diesel Performance one. As you can tell right off the bat, they look similar as far as in profile, which is great, because at least you know it's gonna mount up with no problem. Biggest difference is, to me, the one that's stock and factory just seems like it's just overly thin. No real rigidity there. While the BD Diesel Performance one, you can tell right off the bat, very thick, and again, they share the same profile on the inside, and that means basically your ring gear is still going to get coated, unlike the flat back designs. And again, just a lot better and stiffer material, and that just basically gives you a little bit more confidence that the product's going to hold up, and there'll be an improvement. Obviously, the biggest difference there also is the cooling design. You know, the fins on the back there should improve cooling in the rear differential as well. All right guys, so prepping it, not a whole lot there. Just get your O-ring prepared, install the O-ring. Again, it's kind of a benefit of this deal is you get a complete O-ring seal, no more RTV. cool thing about what they give you is the fact that they give you 2 drain plugs, because we know we're going to lose one of them at some point. So the drain plug itself, let me go ahead and show you guys here. Again, O-ring seal, and it's a 5/16 Allen head. You can tell right there, O-ring seal, which is awesome. Again, you ain't got to worry about leaks on it. Just thread that in there. Ain't got to go crazy with that one. And good hardware. Can't beat that. You're going to torque these down to 30 foot-pounds. And now that you got everything prepped up, now we can do the install. And all right, guys, so we've seen the install. Again, 30 foot-pounds for the bolts to hold it down. Now kind of going to showcase the FR3 as well as the racing gear oil from Hot Shot Secrets. If you have a limited slip differential, you're going to need to add the additive to it, just as kind of an added noted there. But like I said, we'll find out just how great these products are. I mean, again, you see all the guys in ODSS are pretty much running this gear oil, and we've got proven results from the FR3 from the guys at Firepunk, so we know it's a great product. And also, you guys can use these suction guns. They work great when it comes down to filling up the differential, transfer case, stuff like that. You know, they're like $5-6 depending on where you go. And again, you don't have to worry about using a funnel. You don't have to sit there and use the bottles. You can use these big old gallon jugs and just go ahead and siphon it right out of there. All right, guys, finished product there. I think it looks really great back here. Again, advantage of it, again, we got sealed O-rings versus RTV, sealed O-rings for the fill, and then sealed O-ring for the drain. I personally think that's just a heck of a lot better design than what Dana originally had in mind. Again, we're showcasing the Hot Shot Secrets product as well for the racing gear oil and the FR3. All of which was added to the rear differential to see if we can, you know, maybe pull a couple extra mile an hour, maybe a couple extra horsepower at the track. All right, so we're going to go ahead and close the video out, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, all the products that were mentioned today will be linked in the description below. And again, thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video. And remember, P-Pump the world.